Namaste. I, Anuradha, would like to thank all of you for writing, sharing, subscribing on our YouTube and Spotify channels, and writing and share your comments and your suggestions there. Today, we have with us Goel sir. A warm welcome and
Namaskar.
pranam to you, sir.
Namaskar.
So when we're talking about D27, the first thing that comes into my mind is why not D6 and why D27?
Basic. See, we are doing Parashar.
Right, sir.
And Parasharji has not mentioned D6.
Okay.
He has given D27.
Yes.
And while describing D27, Parasharji has said, Bhashe Chevo Bala Balam, means this chart is used to check the strength. Now, when we say strength, it can be weakness also.
Yes.
Firstly, then whose strength we check? See, all our astrology, these are houses, sign, and planets. So we can check the strength and weakness of all the planets, the sign, and the houses. Right?
Right.
So when some planets are strong, some signs, some houses are strong, they are strong. You need not worry about them. When they are weak, then they create illness, and that part is afflicted. Okay, so you can check the strength of any planet. He can be having some significations, and if it is weak, those significations become weak also. Weak in D27. When it is strong, those significations become strong. So first of all, for any chart, we check the Lagna.
Right.
The ascendant.
Yes, sir.
And this D27 is created from my horoscope. So it is my D27 also. And it is my planets, my houses, my sign, which are strong or weak. And Lagna is always important. So first basic criteria is to check the Lagna of D27. If it is good, you are healthy.
Right.
If it is bad, you are not healthy. Okay.
Right.
So we will discuss D6 also.
Right.
Because that is also a part, or people take it for as the chart of illness. But D27 is the chart of illness or the location of the illness.
Okay. Sir, speaking about location of the illness, what is the difference here that you are you have stated it a number of times, location of the illness. So
Yes.
what is the difference?
Yes, because this chart shows you which part of the body is weak. The illness can be anywhere because of that weak
Weakness.
part. Like if I say, see, when I had done this work, I had a very interesting case with one of my closest friend, very close friend of 35, 40 years. He is a rich businessman. So he had a drooping eyes. He could not open his eyes properly. So he used to go get an injection in the eyelids every month. And that injection was very painful. They will give 40 pricks. You can imagine 40 times the needle is coming on the eyelids. And he used to go to Bombay, stay there for 4 or 5 days, come back, remain healthy for about a month and a half, then again go. So one day I asked him, then why don't you get some permanent solution to this? Said, I do not know how to get it. So I had completed my research on this. Book writing was in progress. I have mentioned this case in my book also and everywhere where I speak on D27. Then I saw his chart, prepared D27 and told him that there is problem in your intestines. Your motions are not smooth and many things are stuck up there with the diseases originating from there. There is no connection between your
Eyelids and yes.
intestine and eyes. But there is a connection. Ayurveda says there is a connection.
Yes. Ayurveda
That
is.
your hair growth comes from intestine.
Yes.
So I told him, and he started taking purgatives, digestive things, all Isabgol, Triphala, all these things.
Ayurvedic products.
Ayurvedic products. And after about a month, he said, yeah, not much, but yes, my stomach is now better. Now I feel light. Then when he continued this treatment, so the next injection came after 3 months.
Hmm.
He used to go every month. Next injection came after 3 months.
Hmm.
And when he continued this for about 4, 5, 6 months, he is now well. He has not taken injection after that. This is a story of about 5, 6 years back. He is hale and hearty up till now. So the main purpose is of this D27, we find out which part is weak and take care of that part. Do not do things which will aggravate the weakness of that part.
Hmm.
And this is the remedy.
So that will automatically healthen the body.
Yes, this will automatically reduce the problems.
Right.
I had another case. One Colonel Sharma, he was a student with us in Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan. His son-in-law could not even go to toilet. He was bedridden. His legs were not working. So we used to sit down in the college and discuss his chart sometimes. So when I completed this work, then we discussed again. I said, Colonel Sahab, I find problem in Virgo. He was also a student. He was also an acharya. Completed the course with me. He said, yes, Virgo is badly afflicted. So I said, we should talk to doctor. Is there any part which in Virgo, in the stomach part, above the navel, which controls the movement of the leg? So Colonel Sahab asked the doctor. He said, yes, our locomotor system is situated in the belly, in Virgo. And that locomotor system controls the movement of our limbs. So that doctor said, yes, a very good clue, I will check it. The doctors checked it, did something to repair it, and he could go to toilet at least. If not for his work, he was able to do his own work. So that is the strength of astrology if you use it properly. So what I am trying to say, the problem may appear somewhere else, and the center or the epicenter of that disease may be somewhere else.
Totally different area. I mean,
Yes.
though Ayurveda finds the connection, knows the connection, but for us to do it on a natural basis, we couldn't have ever thought that the
Yeah.
stomach cleaning would help the eyes or the legs. The locomotor center is somewhere in
Yes.
above the navel or around the navel to the person.
So that is the goodness of this chart. It can tell you the center where the problem is, and that will get cured, or this is the remedy. See, many people, they ask for remedy for illness, for other things also, by illness also, or somebody is in the hospital, they ask for remedy. So D27 is the remedy for their
Yeah.
illness.
Absolutely.
If not a full remedy, you can control it and
Yes.
live with your disease.
Right.
You can control it. And like you mentioned about D6, we will take that also
Okay, sir.
in our discussion. D6 is useful to tell you the cause of disease,
Okay.
whether it is the internal cause or the external cause.
Okay.
There we will use D6 and demonstrate it. It gives very good application.
So finally, D3 is taken. Dreshkan is always considered. Suppose we were told that you need to consider Dreshkan for siblings as well as for diseases.
No,
So-
not for disease, for body parts.
For body parts.
Body
So
parts.
how have we graduated? I mean, how do we?
No.
This is the
Classics,
connection.
classics give the 30, they divide 30 parts. First Dreshkan, second Dreshkan,
Third.
third Dreshkan. First Dreshkan is had all these lines.
Yes, sir.
But I have found that Dreshkan is not indicating the location of the disease. There is another method in Vishnu Puran where he describes the different Rashi sign and the body part of Lord Vishnu.
Yes.
That also is not very effective. I checked that also. I'm not denying that they have given it wrong. No, maybe there is some other purpose behind that. But I have divided. Keep Aries on your head. Go down and reach Pisces in your leg, feet. All the signs are divided like this.
Right.
This is the Kalpurush body.
Right.
Okay. One more point. When the people say it is D27, it is called Nakshatra Amsha also. So it has to do with Nakshatra something. Because there are 27 Nakshatras.
Yes, sir.
I think maybe for 1 year, I was also struggling with this idea and could not reach anywhere. The how to analyze nakshatra, although I have given in my book. Then I said simply keep it with the sign and the planets. But I am sure definitely this D27 will be having some relation with nakshatra. I have not been able to decipher it up till now. Some good students like Anuradha will do it.
Thank you so much. So we'll try. We'll definitely give it a shot to work on the
No,
nakshatras.
anybody, it will be of great help.
Yes. Sir. And if you are enamored by what you just heard, that D27 gives us the location of where the disease can be. From the where the disease is originating, the disease can show itself on any part of the body, but your epicenter of the disease can be different. If you want to understand how it works, you're welcome to join our webinar. So we have our upcoming webinar with Sir in the month of November. If you are interested, you can always go to our website, register from there, or give us a call on our WhatsApp number and take all the details from there. Till we meet with you again, stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you so much.
Namaskar.
Please hit the bell icon for fresh updates. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on the videos, and please subscribe to our channel.